Well, here's an update video of the camper I'm building for my Tundra. Got the walls and roof done. Working on insulating it now, and put the floor in. I gotta do the back wall still, but just wanted to give an idea of how I constructed this. It's just 2x3s, plywood, and then pylon siding. You can get that at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's about 30 bucks a sheet for a 4x8 sheet. Trying to cut down on weight since it's going in a first gen Tundra. It's basically like a Tacoma. Basically what I did was on these outside studs, I used adhesive, construction grade adhesive, and glued the siding on with foam wedged in between each stud, and glue on the outside of the foam. It made a a rigid wall. And then on the inside of the stud, I'm gonna be having my interior wood sheets, so it'll sandwich the foam and secure everything well. And then I did some screws to help hold on that siding. Apart from that, it's just a lot of interior work to do, but I'm thinking, I can sit here. I'm basically gonna have two bench seats, and then a center table that I'm hoping I can lower, and then I can basically just have a bed to go across widthwise, and above will just be storage. I might box that out and do some storage down there. I have two windows, that's why there's no insulation here or there. So I'm gonna be having a small RV window. They both slide open, so I'll get some cross ventilation. And I gotta install my fan still. I'm getting a fantastic fan. But yeah, I have some roof racks that are going to be going on top, so I can store surfboards or skis on top. And yeah, and then I'll probably do a small solar panel. And I'm thinking I'm just going to be doing a small self-contained battery charging system. Probably just do a like a GoJack battery system. Keep down the wiring and the amount of work I need to do on the inside. But I'll just show you some shots here. Just all plywood on the sides and the bottom. The front will get the pylon over the plywood as well, and the roof has plywood under that pylon just for added support. But yeah, just wanted to do an update video of what's going on. I'm gonna try to start throwing up more videos of this thing, especially building it. So yeah, if you guys want to share this video, toss it a like, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.